Right guys, welcome back to Kitkar Direct and MK Sports Cars. We're live here at Blyton Park. Trackday event is with Complete Kitkar magazine. Adam's kindly organised a nice day out for all kit cars to attend. Over 50 cars here today, and we're at the start finish straight here. A couple of cars all lined up ready to go, and there we go. 50 cars zooming around, having great things, all from Raws, from Strikers, MEVs, MKs, plenty of MKs turned up today. So what we're going to do is have a little wander around the pit lane now, and maybe have a look at some of the cars and talk about, maybe some of the owners talk about their cars as well. So let's head on down that way. So yeah, here in the pit lane, what we got here? First out of the bat, we got a little Raw Striker actually. It's Brian's car. Used to have an MK with an ST170, and now he's changed it to one of these, supercharged. So it's a 1.6, I think, isn't it, Brian? 1.6 supercharged, 20 valve engine. Making about 270 horsepower. He's been out on track running all day, little 4-speed in it. Quick little car. He's been having a right blast, I hope, anyway, yeah. He's been having fun anyway. He's been having fun. Yeah, nice little car, very light. I've had a couple of strikers in the past, we've built a couple. Great little cars, good fun. But what kit car isn't? So cool, we'll carry on wandering down. That's Brian's car, Raw Striker, 20 valve, 270 brake, supercharged, Toyota. Plethora of different engines. Cool. Right here, what we got? We got an MK Indy RX5. Michael Ford's here, freshly built, ready to get him for over there. But he's had a little test day today at Blyton Park here, testing it out. Turbo on it, etc. So sort of standard manifold setup that we run, etc. He's finally set it up, but I'm going to let Mike talk to you about the car for a couple of seconds. Let me explain about what he's been doing.
Yeah, so it's my first time it's been out today since it's been built, and yeah, I'm very impressed with it. And picked a good day really. Come down here, spoke to MK guys, they've set it up for me. But yeah, the car is, yeah, they do a brilliant manual as well, so if you follow that, be no problems. But yeah, apart from that, it's, yeah, it speaks for itself really. It's a cracking kit, and it does go together brilliant, and it does look good, I must admit, even though it is mine.
Fast and fun, that's what we like. He's got the cage on it, nice carbon dash. Perhaps Chris will run around with the cameraman here, and he's done a super tidy job of the dashboard here. Nice digi dash in here with really nice switches, and pedal box is a billet one in here. So yeah, he's done a cracking job, to be fair. Yeah, one of the nicer examples that we see come out, and it's basically follow the menu. This is how they bolt together. But yeah, I'm sure he's looking for his IV8 date. He's been absolutely hammering it around this morning, and yeah, getting some wear on them tyres there. Superb. Right, here we are, familiar car, John's S2000 that we did the engine conversion on during the course of this year. He's been buzzing around the track, chasing the guys around, absolutely flying, having an absolute blast. I know he's been tinkering in the car and upgrading it. He's got some sticks to put on it now because he wants more grip in it, etc. The car's performed all day so far flawlessly for him. So yeah, what can you say about that engine? Can't beat it. S2000 engine, very reliable, plenty of power, but yeah, good fun. Right, we'll see what we can find. Move on down. There we go, in the paddock, another MK here, Indy. It's an RR, Gen 2 booster in this, track only car, not road registered, but Mark's been flying this. He bought this as a built car, but yeah, nice colour combination. I like that green. Black seems to colour absolutely killer, but he's been flying around all day. Gen 2 boosters, dry sump, super reliable, can't really go wrong really, to be honest with you. Complement motor CXRs, he's got wheelwood brakes all round, 50mm cage, standard booster clocks in there and everything else, and he's got wheelwood top mounted better box. So yeah, all in all, let's be honest, purpose built track day car, really, race car, whichever you want to use it for, but it's exactly what you want. With a sequential 6-speed gearbox that comes with the car, you can't go wrong. Cool, let's move on down, see what else we can find in the paddock. Right, we found a couple of Westfields here. 1 mega booster, 2 mega booster, red, yellow. This one though seems to have a little turbo attached to it as well. So making 250 horsepower. It's slow, he tells me. Yeah, it's slow. Yeah, 250 horsepower. Going all right?
It's going very well. I've had a few issues with cooling in the past, but that's all sorted now. This is the maximum I'm seeing on the oil and water, so yeah, pretty happy with it.
Perfect. Maximum 90 degrees oil and water. It's running turbos, we know they come up with heat problems. Big oil cooler, yeah, big tank, oil tank.
Radiator down the bottom, so you've got a little
Fully ducted radiator in here. Yeah, dry sump system. Is that Westfield's dry sump system? Or
Westfield
SB?
tank for the dry sump's actually SB.
Right, so the better system, because Westfield used to use a belt-driven system, not particularly.
And the belt broke.
There we go. I was just about to say they're known for throwing the
The belt
belts.
broke when I was driving the car home from Newcastle on the first day I picked it up. So I got recovered on the way home.
If you've got a Westfield and it's got a dry sump system where it's got the belt on it, A, check it, or B, change it. They're known for it. Change it out. SPD all day, every day. Super reliable. So yeah, it's a nice car actually. I've seen him go round. It's a quick car, guys. Yeah. Right, what else we got? Let's go and see what we've got down the pit lane. Right, here with Wayne's Indy RR, Chicks 1000 K8, formerly known as the Angry Wasp. That's what its nickname is. He's done loads on this car. It's got Force Racing wheels. It's got billet front uprights, billet rear uprights, wheeled brakes all round, poly A pads on it, wheelwood top mounted pedal box. He's had all our carbon stuff, carbon dash, carbon bulkhead, carbon aero screen. He's done the rear wings, etc. in it. Standard clocks from it. Go Race Boss. Our one-piece steering column. Absolutely mint this car is. It's he's had an awesome day in it, and even his diffuser, he got carbon dips, which looks really clean. Yeah, he's been flying around in this morning. He's dialed it in because he's had it off the road. You may have seen on lockdown garage videos. He's had it off the road, rebuilt a lot of it, redone the whole back end. We corner weighted and set it up a couple of weeks back now. I think came in at 470 odd kilos, I do believe. Yeah, super clean car, and I can vouch it's fast on these slicks around here. It's fast, really fast. So a bit like the booster up the top there, we say purpose-built track car. Yeah, you can't go better than that. So killer car. Right, see what else we can find down there. Okay, so we're down here at well, start of Blyton Park track again now, and we've got Adam here from Complete Kitkar magazine. And he's just going to basically explain what this track day has been about. It's been an excellent day, so I'll let him introduce what the day was about, why he does it, and give us an update for all you guys out there for the next event.
Well, yeah, this is the fourth time we've done a Complete Kitkar track day at Blyton Park. We've done them at Landau for longer than that, probably about 10 years now. And really, the whole idea is just to encourage people to use their kit cars, have a bit of fun, and hopefully go away at the end of the day with a smile on their face.
That's the whole purpose of the day. I think you can see there's quite a cars coming in and out of the track here, all different manner of things, from MVV, Raw Strikers, as I said at the beginning, obviously us, like MKs, etc. Whole plethora of cars, Adam, is it right?
It was 50 cars exactly, so it's fully booked. Yeah, and we've been fully booked since July actually, so people have been itching to get back out after the lockdown, and yeah, it's been a good day, busy day, and yeah, plenty going on.
Brilliant, because obviously if you were trying to get into kit cars, well, as you can see, all the manner of different brands are available here. Adam does a kit car guide, I do believe, Adam, is that correct?
That's correct, yeah, we do an annual guide which comes out every October, so the new one's nearly out now, as well as our monthly magazine that comes out every 4 weeks as well.
Excellent. I think the next edition is launched
this coming Friday.
This coming Friday, and I think it features our car, doesn't it, Adam?
It does indeed, yeah. It has two MKs on the cover. It's got the Hayabusa powered car and the MX-5 Turbo, and the story compares those two cars back to back.
Excellent. I think same event next year?
We'll be back here in September, hopefully, of next year. We'll have the date confirmed pretty soon. South Wales in May.
Excellent. But if you subscribe to the magazine, guys, this will all be out there anyway, Adam, is that correct?
That's right, yeah. And you also, if you subscribe to the magazine, you get a discounted rate on both track days. So
Brilliant. That's Complete Car Magazine is supporting us, and manufacturers, it's supporting you as customers as well. So I'd like to say a big thanks to Adam for putting on this day, and hopefully we'll see you on the next track day out there.